I come from the United States as like a lot of people, just cross the river and just walk over here. Of course, my father is an American citizen, and he was living in Tarzan, Texas. So I didn't see him very often, since I was little. I moved to the United States when I was 16. In Mexico, I was building kind of like robots for a company. So I know a lot about drawings and welding. When I moved to the United States, my dad put me to work on the farm. For 3 months, I didn't like it. So I looked into work in the city. So I moved to Midland, and I started working for a welding company, a local welding company. They didn't want to give me the opportunity, to work for them because of the language. I didn't speak any English at all. What I told the owner of the company is, give me the chance to prove that I can do the job. If you don't like my work in a day, maybe a week, I'll walk away without a pay. All you gotta do is give me the chance. They told me, said, go ahead and do this job. The first day, I finished the day. The second day, they called me to the office, and I thought that I was fired, because of that job. So that my surprise, that he started telling me, he said, well, you got a job, how much you want to make? I worked for them like a field welder for the last 13 to 14 years. In '05, I decided to start my own, just with one truck. And I buy a welding machine with $12,000. $2,000 that I borrowed from CNB, Community National Bank, and I get field welders that help me. In about 8 months, I had around 19 welders working for me. I was working behind my house. I go through a lot there. I got some fines, from the city, because the noise and the traffic, around my house. So I buy this land. Little by little, we started building this building right here. Through the years, with the same relationship that I got with the companies, oilfield companies, they start getting me the builders for them. They call me and say, hey, can you do a metal building? And of course, I can do it. So I started getting more people and more guys, they're working for me. And now I got the license, and we're general contractor, but pretty much the relationship that I got with the owners of different businesses here that made me to do what I do now. We're gonna do the job the way it's supposed to. And if my guys do something wrong, I'll personally, go over there and check the job, and I do whatever I have to do to make it right to the customer. That's the main thing, just keep the customer happy.